Happy Wednesday, everybody. Meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you here for another check of your forecast. We're actually closer now to the first day of fall than we are the first day of summer, which means our day lengths are getting shorter. Now, the longest day of the year is typically the summer solstice, the first day of summer. That was back in June, on June 20th, where we had almost 15 hours of day length. But look at today, 13 and a half hours. So we've lost about an hour and 5 minutes of day length. It's all part of that slow descent into fall. So our day lengths are getting shorter, our nights are getting longer. That lowers average temperatures and things start to cool down. Here's also a look at where we are with our rainfall over the last 30 days. Many of us running well above average, over 100% above normal for rainfall. But other areas are dry, especially the further west you go, west of Kentucky Lake, towards the Missouri Boot. They really need the rainfall. We are going to see it here over the next couple of days as that pattern is expected to change. Now, over the next 24 hours for both Bowling Green and Owensboro, really not a bad day overall, with a slight increase in high-level clouds as we go through the afternoon, which you'll see here with Futurecast. That would be about the only impact for weather. Notice still seeing that easterly, northeasterly flow today, but that is expected to change as we get into tonight and into tomorrow morning. Notice the clouds were quiet this evening, quiet tonight, but by tomorrow morning, that flow has turned back around out of the south and southeast. It's going to start to pump in that humid air. And we talked about that rain. Here it comes, and we could see severe weather in here on Friday, possibly. Only a marginal risk, so an isolated severe storm is possible, posing mainly a damaging wind threat. I think we should be okay, but still going to want to keep checking back with us for updates. Upper 80s today, still slightly below average by a couple of degrees across the entire tri-state. And then tonight, not too bad as well under clear skies, as lows will fall into the mid-60s by Thursday morning. And you see the extended forecast. If you're making the drive to Louisville on Thursday for the start of the state fair, should be a great day. Storms will roll in here in the evening and overnight hours lasting into Friday possibly, but it's a glancing blow of the heat, the humidity, and the storminess. We dry out and back below average by the weekend.